everyone! Welcome to Linda Space. Today, I've got this new 2-in-1 product, AZ. First, let's take a look at this fidget spinner. It's made of brass. The appearance and texture are quite nice. It's just this big and not very heavy. There is a magnet on each side of the fidget spinner. You can hold it like this and play with the fidget spinner. Its rotation duration is quite good. It measures 2.5 inches in size and weighs 1.54 ounces. Here is the glow in the dark glue. It will glow when the light is dim, making it easy to find. Playing with the fidget spinner in this situation gives a different feeling. The entire chassis is made of aluminum alloy, with a diameter of 2.5 inches and a weight of 1.05 ounces. The magnet in the middle can be combined with the fidget spinner to form a new tool. On the back of the disc, there is a ring of magnets around it, which can be attached to a mobile phone. It's quite secure. The middle part, when opened, becomes a phone stand. Its maximum opening angle is 90. It can be placed horizontally or vertically for use. When you want to take it off, you just need to move it left or right. There's a hole on each side where you can put a keychain and hang them together. You can also match it with a necklace and use it as an ornament. Both are great ideas. When threaded with a wrist cord, it becomes an ornament, and it can also be used in combination with the chassis. Well, if you also like the product shared in this episode, remember to follow us for more information. This is Linda Space. See you in the next episode. Bye.